everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are drawing and painting a beautiful makeup kit. Let's start drawing. First I will draw eyeshadow palette. Now I am drawing a lipstick. Then I draw a beautiful lips. I am drawing a nail paint. Now I use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's start coloring. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.